Today we're going to be making daily leave-in spray using hibiscus, which we know is rich in antioxidants. It helps with dryness, supports our hair strands. For everything we're using today, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon, but all the measurements will be in the description. Next is the lemongrass, which refreshes and cleanses our scalp. It also reduces excess oil buildup and makes our hair feel cleaner and lighter. And next we have the fenugreek, which makes our hair easy to detangle, great for scalp hydration. Last but not least, we have the powerhouse rosemary leaves, which helps reduce scalp flaking and maintains a great scalp pH balance. Now, after adding everything into your mason jar, you want to go ahead now and add your essential oils. As I always tell you guys, choose the oils of your choice. Vitamin E oil I'll be using because it will help moisturize and soften my hair and also help with the scalp hydration. Next, I will be using the Jamaican castor oil. This is because it's going to help me seal in the moisture. And don't forget to add your preservative so that this can last longer. Lastly, I'll be adding the vegetable glycerin oil to help my hair feel hydrated for a long period of time. Just a side note, as someone with a protective style, having the daily leave-in spray makes it easier for my hair and scalp to feel cleaner and moisturized. Now let's recap all the things that we've used so far. We have the fenugreek, we have the lemongrass, the rosemary, the hibiscus, the vitamin E oil, castor oil, vegetable glycerin oil. Now the next step is to go ahead and add water. I am going to cover and store in a cool dry place for 24 hours. Now remember, you can store this as long as you want because it contains the preservatives. I want you guys to pay close attention to the color. You are going to see the color change. So the longer you leave it, the darker the color becomes. This is what mine looked like after about 24 hours. I am going to go ahead and strain. The smell was not bad at all because we added some oils that made it smell good, and plus the rosemary leaves as well. While straining it, you need to be careful and patient. Let it strain because if you don't take your time, some of the leaves might get into your mixture. But that is why I love to use the cheesecloth. So you could either use cheesecloth or a wig cap. After straining it, we don't need to add any more oils because we already did. And the final step will be to transfer it into a spray bottle and store it in the fridge and use as desired. Now let's go over the overall benefits of adding all these herbs together. 1. It supports the scalp health. It adds moisture and shine to your hair and reduces breakage. It will leave your hair feeling hydrated and soft. It will also help reduce excess oil buildup and help your hair feel lighter and cleaner. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about these herbs that we used in today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe. Hey, don't forget to store it in the fridge. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye guys.